back to any idiot can have power tools.
I'll tell you a little bit about my process. Don't really have a process. So what I'm doing here is just getting stuff ready, killing time, getting tools ready and things like that. Thinking about how I'm going to approach this, kind of getting an idea in my head, you know, how I'm going to cut the wood and how I'm going to put it together and reinforce it. Here comes the chainsaw noise. This would probably be a good time to tell you I do my cutting with a chainsaw because I find it handy and it's fast. This level of precision is only reserved for special projects, and this is a special project. I have sawhorses in the shed, but I have to cut 2x4s to use them, and I haven't done that yet. Alright, so what I'm working on here is I'm going to set up the planer so I can play with the planer for a few minutes.
I did it again.
You're not supposed to lift it by the rollers, you're supposed to lift it by the handles, and I keep lifting it by the rollers. They look like handles.
So here's the thing. I got to looking at this. Those oak surfaces and pine supports. Just don't know if I can do it. So I'm gonna see if I can cut this oak down to make the supports for the oak surfaces. I'm gonna plane it first.
It's just a shelf, it's not that difficult. A lot of times I just figure it out as I go.
Buble.
Here I am removing nails.
thinking a sign up here will say extras.